How to create Hotmail email. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of app tutorial. If you're also trying to create an account of Hotmail or an email of Hotmail, then in this video I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow. Now either you can create your Hotmail account with the website of Outlook, or you can also use the app. For this video we're going to use the app, so make sure you download this application onto your device. Once the app has been downloaded, you can open it up and tap on create new account. Once you do that, you get a section of creating your account, and now instead of typing in the email address, you can just tap on get new email address. Select the Hotmail instead of Outlook. So select the hotmail.com and then create a new email. And then tap on next. In the next section, you need to create a password, so make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. You can reveal this password by tapping on show password and then tap on next. Next is going to ask you for your name, so type in your first name and the last name and tap on next. Select your country and date of birth and tap on next. Lastly, you need to verify yourself by completing this puzzle, so tap on next and complete this verification. Once the verification has now been completed, your email of Hotmail will be successfully created. So that was the easy process of creating your Hotmail email. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in more daily videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.